Farmers in parts of northeastern Manchester have been told to expect more attention early in the new year. Among the planned benefits, low-interest loans. The promise came as farmers received supplies at a recent stakeholder meeting. We have the details in this report.
A farmer makes his way home with a bag of fertilizer and some seedlings. A small but welcome injection of supplies after losses sustained during Hurricane Melissa. The farmer was among dozens who met with their MP Audrey Marks and other stakeholders to discuss plans to resurrect farming operations post-Melissa.
It's very important as we look to rebuild Jamaica that farmers know that you have a special role to play. And Northeast Manchester, we are blessed with having many farmers. And the Prime Minister has given a special charge that we must get farmers back on track as soon as possible.
These farmers will also have greater access to cash to expand their business operations.
We are also going to be launching this evening a Northeast Manchester revolving loan fund for farmers. It's something like when you hear we talk about the student loan fund. It's a concessionary fund for farmers, and I think we're starting at 50,000. And as you build your credit, it goes up to $2 million that each farmer could get based on your ability to keep repaying and showing that you're investing in your farm. We are going to go, and it's a concessionary loan at 5%.
Among the ways to benefit is to be registered. The farmers were therefore told to get registered with RADA. The MP for Northeastern Manchester explained that plans are also advancing to reopen a Jamaica Agricultural Society JAS and Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA offices in the constituency early in 2026. The updates are timely given complaints from some farmers who feel help has taken too long to come from the state nearly 2 months after Hurricane Melissa.
Most of the support that the government will be giving out is not yet ready. So we are looking to at least start the process so that you won't go into the new year without knowing what is happening.